Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix Strava not showing time on feed. Are you having trouble that your Strava app is not showing time on feed? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps. 1. Check your account's time zone settings. Ensure that your Strava account's time zone is set correctly. If the time zone is incorrect, it can cause the activity timestamp to be displayed incorrectly. 2. Crop or split the activity. If the activity has enormous elapsed time, it can cause the activity to not appear correctly in the feed. Try cropping the activity to remove any additional time at the beginning or end, or split the activity into two separate activities. 3. Manually fix GPS time code errors. If the issue persists, the GPS time code in the activity data may be incorrect. You can try manually fixing any GPS timecode errors by editing the activity's JPEG file and uploading it again. 4. Check activity type and data length. The information displayed in the activity feed can vary depending on the activity type and the length of the data. For example, for running activities, elevation may be displayed instead of pace and speed. If the elevation gain is high, and the time may be not shown if the distance and achievements take up too much space on the screen. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava support.